Hey guys, so today we're going to be dealing with converting rates as part of rates and ratios. Now we often need to convert rates to a bigger or smaller unit. For example, we may need to convert something like kilometers per hour to meters per second. So you'll need to know your units of measurement and how to convert units in order to do this. So let's look at the first example. The first example is asking me to convert 96 liters per hour to milliliters per day. So we're going to convert liters to milliliters and hours to days. So let's work on one side first. So 96 liters is how many milliliters? Well, we know there's 1,000 milliliters in a liter, so we multiply it by 1,000. So 96 liters is actually 96,000 milliliters per hour. Now that we have it in milliliters, now we convert the hours to days. And we know there's 24 hours in a day, so we multiply both sides by 24. In the first case, I'm just changing one unit of measurement into another. But in this case, I'm changing the whole rate into an equivalent rate for per day. So 96,000 milliliters per hour is actually 2,304,000 milliliters per day. Let's go on to example 2. Example 2 states that convert 63 cents per minute to dollars per hour. So you can think of this as logically as well. So if someone's earning 63 cents per minute, how many dollars will they earn per hour? Well, let's first convert one side. So you'll see here, I convert the cents to dollars. 63 cents is actually $0.63. Then I know the rate per minute, but if I want per hour, I have to multiply both sides by 60. So 63 cents per minute is actually $37.80 per hour. Let's go on to the last example. The last example, which is one of our most common examples, is kilometers per hour to meters per second. So I need to convert one side first. So I convert the kilometers into meters. 24 kilometers is actually 24,000 meters. I'm already in hours. I need to get to seconds. I need to go down a unit. So I'm going to divide by 60 on both sides because there's 60 seconds in an hour. Sorry, there's 60 minutes in an hour. So now I'm at minutes. Then I need to divide again by 60 again to get to seconds. So here I had a two-step rate equivalency. I went from hours to minutes and then minutes to seconds. Do it step by step. Once you get the hang of it, you can do it in one step later. So now I had to round that off. You can leave it as a fraction, but when we're dealing with real measurements, it's good to see it in a real measurement form. 6.67 meters approximately per second. So we need to change that equal sign to an approximate sign. Okay, I have two quick questions here for you to do. Pause the video, give it a shot, and then come back for the recommended answers. There's the recommended answers. Hopefully you got it all right. Till next time, take care, guys.